Dear friends, everyone wants to be a look like a young man. And in our today's video, I shall explain about a vitamin that not only slows down the process of aging, but also very beneficial in hair growth and resolves many skin problems. So at first, I shall explain some signs of its deficiency in our body, and secondly, I shall suggest you best sources of this vitamin. And at the end of the video, I have a bonus tip regarding this vitamin, so kindly it is my humble request to watch my video till end. So let's get started. Before starting the video, it is my humble request that if you are new on my YouTube channel, then kindly subscribe my channel. The vitamins that stops or slows down the aging process and that resolves the issues related with hair, skin and vision is the vitamin E. Taking the adequate amount of vitamin E is very crucial and important to solve and resolve these problems. So now let's talk about its few signs of deficiency. So dear friends, if you have blurred vision and if you feel that your wounds are not healing so fast, and if you cannot see at night, and if you have dry skin, and if you feel any sensation in your hands and feet, and you have a problem of hair fall, then these are very significant signs that your body is deficient in vitamin A. So don't worry, you can fix these problems by eating these food items. So in fruits and vegetables, you can eat mango, and you can eat kiwi and avocado and papaya, and at the last blueberries. And in vegetables, spinach and broccoli and turnips, and at the last asparagus and also red bell pepper. These food items are really very good and excellent sources of vitamin E. Furthermore, you can also eat almonds and sunflower seed and sesame seed, and at the last peanut butter. These are also very good sources of vitamin E. So now let's talk about the bonus tip. So dear friends, if you want to fulfill the requirements of vitamin E in your body without eating these food items, then you can avail vitamin E in the form of a capsule from the market that has the same benefits as they have in these food items. So I hope this video may prove very helpful to maintain your good health, and thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.